I am at 44, with a lifelong career in car repair since age 15. I've witnessed costly mistakes, and one prevalent blunder is neglecting oil changes. In today's world, nearly all driving falls into the severe service category, whether city commutes or rural towing. The equation is simple: 15,000 miles a year, standard oil, change every 3,000 miles, 5 changes annually. I've seen customers strictly adhere to this, resulting in engines exceeding 750,000 miles. Well-maintained engines stand out, but V8 engines demand extra care due to increased heat production and faster oil breakdown. I prefer synthetic oil, changing every 5,000 miles, totaling 3 changes a year. Considering your car is your second largest investment, continually depreciating, why risk it over a mere $100? People spend hundreds on insurance, but skimp on a $100 expense crucial for their car's operation. I've seen cars denied warranty claims due to inadequate oil changes, with Kia and Hyundai models notorious for such issues. Contrary to belief, military vehicles often receive minimal maintenance. The military, with taxpayer money, frequently replaces engines rather than investing in maintenance. GovPlanet showcases Humvees from the 90s, some brand new, indicating the government's lackadaisical approach. Comparing this to personal vehicle care, it's evident that few would treat their lawnmowers similarly. Addressing the one-year issue, engines left idle accumulate condensation, making them worse off than regularly but insufficiently cared for ones. The answer is clear: yes, change oil after a year, especially with low mileage. Neglect risks water and rust, leading to costly repairs far exceeding the savings of skipping a $50 investment. Regular oil changes aren't just routine. They're a prudent investment in your vehicle's longevity and reliability.